Guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Weex, how to claim your bonus, and how to start trading. Weex is one of the leading exchanges where you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and hundreds of other cryptocurrencies. So first of all, step one is you're going to go below this video and click the link at the top of the description, because when you click my affiliate link, you'll be eligible for a deposit bonus up to $400 completely for free. And then you can actually get up to $150,000 with my link below in the rewards hub on Weex website. So let's start with the sign up process. So step one, you go below this video, you click the link, and then when you click the link, you'll basically go to the top right hand corner and click on sign up. It will take you to this page here. You'll enter your email address, create a strong password, tick the box, and then basically click continue. The next page requires some basic information about you, including your first and last names, country of residence, nationality, and then you'll basically agree to these terms and conditions and then click next. And then you enter your 6-digit verification code that you'll basically get on your provided email address, and then you can ultimately start using your account. Now, when you're going to use your account, you want to do Google authentication. You'll just basically click on it, you'll put in the code, you'll link it to your account, and then it'll be fully secured. So once we've created our account, you'll then click on deposit because you want to fund your account. So you click on deposit. Now you can do an on-chain deposit or you can do a quick buy. Quick buy is basically with a bank card, Apple Pay or Google Pay. Say if you want to do an on-chain deposit, you'll just click there and you've got all of the different cryptos here. Say if you want to do USDT, you're going to click on USDT, select network, Tron, ERC20, BEP20, etc. You've got all of the different chains there. Let's click on TRC20, for example, and then you've got the deposit address. Sure, copy that, and then you can send crypto to deposit into your account. So this is the spot trading section. So as you can see, we're on Bitcoin, USDT. So if we want to buy Bitcoin, we can buy that, Ethereum, whatever you want to buy, you'll basically have it on the left-hand side of the page. So say if we want to buy Bitcoin, we've got the chart here. You can either do a limit order, so that means once it goes to a certain price, it will basically activate your buy. It's non-leverage, it's just completely spot. You will ultimately own the cryptocurrency. If you want to do a market order, this means that you'll buy on the market immediately straight away. And then you'll just put the amount that you want to buy. And if you want to sell it, you'll put the amount that you want to sell. And it's got hundreds of cryptocurrencies that you can buy on spot. And then once you buy them, it will basically go into your spot holding position. Okay, so now we're on the futures page. To find the futures page, you'll basically just hover over here at the top, click it there, and you'll come to futures. So what we'll ultimately need to do is once you've deposited in your account, you need to get the money onto the futures section of the dashboard. So it will naturally go into your funding account, and then you can just click on that button there and then put it from, if it's in your spot account, you can put it from spot to futures. If it's in your funding, you can put it from funding to futures. And if you want to move it back, you just basically click that. And if we want to look at, so we're currently on Ethereum. Say if we go to Bitcoin, we've got the charts here. It's got the 1 minute chart, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, and then you can select the intervals there. To edit it how you want to edit it. You've got all of the indicators here. If you click on that button there, you've got all of the indicators that you can then put on your charts. If you want to take a screenshot, you can basically click that. That will basically take a screenshot of your charts there. This is your order book here. All of the sells, all of the buys, everything along that side there. And just going back to this bit, all of the pairs that you've got hundreds of pairs. If you want to trade a different cryptocurrency, you can obviously go along the side there. And on Ethereum, Bitcoin, a couple of others, you've got up to 400x leverage. So you've got 1x, obviously you can change this here, all the way up to 200, 300, 400x leverage. Now, if you want to change the settings of the chart, you can click on this little button here, and then you can change the settings of your charts there as well. And then if we want to go and open a trade, as you can see, we've got limit order, we've got market order, I've also got trigger and post only. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly break these down for you, starting with limit order. So basically the limit order side of things, you'll choose the price and you basically wait for the market to come to that price. So you set the exact price that you want to buy or sell at. The order will sit in the order book until the market reaches your price. So basically, as an example, if Bitcoin is $60,000, you'll place a buy limit of $59,800. If the price dips to that price, then your order will get filled. So limit orders are basically like setting traps. You don't chase the price, you basically let it come to your price, and then you'll enter into the trade. That's the limit. That's basically a limit order. Now let's go over market orders. So market order is basically you buy now. All right, so you take whatever the market gives you instantly. So you buy or sell immediately at the best price available. So for example, Bitcoin is at $60,000. You click buy market, you might get filled at $60,005, or you might pay a bit more or less, but it basically gets you into the trade instantly. So that's kind of like the buy now button. Okay, so let's go over trigger orders. So basically you tell the exchange, if the price hits X, then do Y. All right, the order activates only when the trigger price is reached. It's basically used for breakout trading and stop losses. So say if Bitcoin's at $60,000, you'll set a buy trigger at 60,500 to catch a breakout. All right, so when Bitcoin hits 60,500, then your order will activate and you basically catch that kind of long move. And let's go over, where is it? Post only. We click on that there. So basically you guarantee your order adds liquidity. It doesn't remove it. So your order only goes through if it posts to the order book first. If it would fill instantly, then the order will automatically cancel. It helps avoid taker fees. So basically, for example, Bitcoin is at 60,000. You set a post only buy at 59,950. If the price is already at 59,950 or below, then your order will cancel because ultimately it would fill instantly. So basically, post only is a patience play. You're hunting entries, you're not chasing the market. And before we move on, I'm just going to quickly show you on a market order. So say if you basically open a market order immediately, so say if we go in long Bitcoin or short Bitcoin, you're going to want to have a stop loss. So say if you're longing it, then you can basically put the take profit here. Stop loss, you can either do it in a percentage ROI for the take profit or for the stop loss, and then you can open the position, open long or open a short there, and then you basically do the same for this one. So you'll click the box and then you can put in your take profit and stop loss or ROI, and that's basically for a market order. And obviously leverage, again, make sure you've got the correct leverage. If you're trading on a small account or even a big account, you might not want to do a 400x leverage because you can get wiped out very, very quickly. Okay, so we've done the spot trading. We've also gone over futures trading. What I want to do as well is if we go to the top along here and we click on WXT zone. Now, this is basically WXT is the ticker for Weex token. Now, there's loads of benefits to holding a Weex token. Now, the main benefit is if you buy and you hold Weex token, you'll be eligible for airdrops. So when they have airdrops of other tokens that come into market and listing on their exchange, if you're holding their token, you'll be eligible to then get free tokens of these other airdrops. As you can see here, exclusive crypto airdrops. You'll also get upgrade your VIP status as well when you're trading, and elite trader perks. So basically when you're trading, you'll get up to like 70% off trading fees. So I've got about $7,000 in the token. I think it's going to do really well as well because the market cap's actually fairly low, and the things that Weex are doing and how quick they're growing and expanding, they've already been around for a while as well. Security is like top notch on the exchange. The team are absolutely amazing. The exchange is so easy to use. It is now my favorite exchange that I'm using on a daily basis. And last but not least, what I'm going to go over today, what we haven't been over actually, is copy trading. I'm going to go over this in another video. If you're new here, you're new to crypto, all you really need to know is spot section, future section, and also the earn section is good, where you hold Weex tokens and you basically get free money sent you. So if we go back up to here and we go to crypto news, what I think is very handy, and some exchanges are starting to do it, but Weex are probably the best at it, is you want to know the latest news. You want to know what's happening in the market, because if something's happening in the market, you then have an opportunity to buy a token that might potentially go up. So you can learn a lot from this section as well. Basically the news section, and it will say about different articles, latest news, flash news, crypto alerts, and just really stay up to date with the market. It's so important to know what's happening in the market before it happens, but also when it happens as well. You just really want to stay informed so you can make the right decisions on what to buy, what to invest in. So guys, that is everything for today. Make sure you sign up using the below link. It's an absolute no-brainer. You basically get free money when you deposit onto Weex. You can also be eligible for a $150,000 airdrop. I'm going to be doing more videos on Weex, more videos on the features, the copy trading, different things that they're bringing out, different tokens and stuff on the exchange. They are my favorite exchange to use. I think they're absolutely brilliant, and they're the main exchange I use on a daily basis. But what I want to know is if there's anything that you guys want to know for any of the future videos, please do put it in the comments below and I will cover it all for you. And yeah, until next time, I'll see you in the next video.